If your Discord account has been restricted and you believe it was a mistake, you can appeal the decision. Follow these steps to submit your appeal effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant information regarding your account, including your username, email address associated with the account, and any messages or notifications you received about the restriction. Step 2. Visit the Discord support page. Go to the Discord support website. Look for the section related to account issues or restrictions. This is where you will find the form to submit your appeal. Step 3. Fill out the appeal form. Complete the appeal form with accurate information. Be sure to clearly explain why you believe the restriction is unjust and provide any evidence that supports your case. Step 4. Submit your appeal. After filling out the form, double-check all the information for accuracy. Once you are satisfied, submit the appeal and make sure to note any confirmation you receive. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient. Discord support team may take some time to review your case. Keep an eye on your email for any updates or responses regarding your appeal. Remember to remain polite and concise in your communication with Discord support. Good luck.